Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today I am taking you to one of my secret spots, a place I don't usually share with anyone. And the ride is gonna be interesting because the first stretch is not so pretty, but by the end, you will see something that's look straight out of Kerala. And here's the thing, I have not been to this spot in the last 2 or 3 months, so even for me, today feels a bit special. So, we roll out from my place and instantly the road reminds you who is the boss. All over the broken patches, potholes, dust in the air, and those random street bakers that pop up without any warning. You know how it is, one hand on the clutch, one finger on the brake, and eye scanning like a LiDAR sensor of Apple. It's not the kind of road that make you fall in love with the riding, but it's the kind that makes you appreciate the good ones later. This stretch is narrow, houses on the both sides, and the dogs are running across without looking, so you have to be very careful to ride this kind of roads. And auto squeezing through the gaps you don't even think they existed, and the occasional trucks forces you into the side lane, so you have to be very careful. If you are not patient here, you will lose all your control. But for me, this is all the part of my riding, so you have to be very careful to ride this kind of road. You take it slow, you take a deep breath, and let the road set up the pace. Something changed, right? The houses start to thin out and the traffic goes slow down, and the smell of the air feels different. You see the patches of greenery, a bit of open space, and that's when you know you are getting close. It's like the city is slowly letting you go, whispering, "Alright, go and enjoy yourself." And then the roads opens up. Fresh tarmac, barely any traffic. My bike engine note changes. It's smoother and it's happier. You start leaning into the corners, feeling the wind on your shoulder. This is where you start smiling without even realizing it. And then there it is, a long ribbon of road running right beside a calm and endless lake. In one side you can see the water glittering in the sun, and on the other side coconut trees green and swaying. It feels like Kerala just decided to drop a piece of itself here. The air is cooler, the light gets softer, and for a moment everything just disappears. this is my spot, my reset button. Whenever life gets too noisy, I ride here, and now you know where it is. Well, almost. I am not giving you the exact pin, you have to find it yourself. If you enjoyed this ride, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Next time, maybe I will show you another hidden gem. And until then, ride safe, ride with your heart.